Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Miele Floor Brush is probably one of the most important tools for anyone serious about keeping their floor spotless. From hardwood to tile, the right floor brush can make a world of difference, ensuring every surface is free from dust and debris. In this video, we're diving deep into the Miele Floor Brush, exploring its features and why it might be the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. Number 5. Miele SBB 400-3 Parquet Twister XL Floor Brush. Introducing the Miele XL Parquet Twister. This attachment is designed for gentle and effortless cleaning of hard flooring. It makes cleaning your home easier. Built with a double swivel joint, it's agile and smooth. The soft natural bristles glide gently across hard floors, ensuring a thorough clean. This floor head can reach around and under small spaces with ease. Its XL size helps save time while cleaning. Miele products are known for reliable results. This attachment is designed to make your cleaning routine easier and more pleasant. You'll receive one Miele XL Parquet Twister SBB 400-3 floor head. It's the perfect tool for sensitive flooring, with a 16-inch width. What we like? This brush features an extra-large 16-inch size, saving you cleaning time. It is designed for gentle cleaning, ensuring your floors are well cared for. If you have a large home with hard floors and want to clean quickly and efficiently, you should consider this. What people say. The brush head swivels and pivots easily. The brush head is very easy to maneuver around furniture. The brush head is well designed and effective at picking up dirt and debris. Number 4. Miele SBB 300-3 Replacement Parquet Floor Brush. Introducing the Replacement Parquet Floor Brush, designed specifically for hard floors. This tool is a perfect fit for all Miele models, ensuring a seamless replacement experience. It is not suitable for carpet cleaning. This brush features a 180-degree pivoting elbow, providing exceptional maneuverability. This allows you to effortlessly navigate around furniture and into tight corners, making cleaning easier and more efficient. It is equipped with premium horsehair brushes, known for their quality and durability. These soft yet effective brushes are designed to capture debris efficiently, ensuring optimal cleaning performance and longevity. Get the same quality without the premium price tag. This replacement offers significant savings compared to the brand name alternatives, providing excellent value without compromising on performance. We stand behind the quality of this floor brush with a 6-month warranty. This guarantee ensures your satisfaction and provides peace of mind, knowing that it is built to last and perform. What we like? The 180-degree pivot elbow makes maneuvering around furniture a breeze. The premium horsehair brushes provide excellent cleaning performance. If you are looking for a cost-effective replacement that doesn't compromise on quality and maneuverability, you should consider this. What people say. The Splanova Miele Vacuum Generic Floor Brush works effectively and at a considerable savings over the real thing. I like the wide attachment that covers more floor in less time, grabbing the bits of dust and kitty fur that my upright shark always missed. It fits my Miele Vac wand perfectly, is easy to clean and store. Excellent replacement for much more expensive OEM model. Better than original. Number 3. Miele Parquet Twister SBB 300-3 Floor Brush. Introducing the Miele Parquet Twister. This attachment makes cleaning hard floors a breeze. It's designed to make your cleaning routine easier. The innovative design features a double swivel joint. This allows it to be agile and smooth while you clean. You'll find it easy to maneuver. It has soft natural bristles that glide gently. This ensures that it won't scratch your floors. It's perfect for various types of flooring. This Miele product is versatile. It can be used on durable floors and sensitive floors. It is designed for reliable results. Miele products are known for their quality. This will help make your cleaning routine more pleasant. Get yours today. You'll receive the Miele Parquet Twister SBB 300-3 Floor Brush. It's an attachable vacuum cleaner brush. It's designed for effortless and easy cleaning. What we like? This brush is designed for gentle and effortless cleaning. The double swivel joint makes it agile and smooth. If you like a versatile brush that can be used on various floor types, from durable to sensitive, you should consider this. What people say. Makes vacuuming easy and effective. Excellent suction. It allows for great suction and maneuvers like a dream. Real TLC for the hardwood floors. This tool allows me to easily vacuum under low furniture. It has more and softer brushes than the tool that came with my vacuum, cheapest model. I have only wood or tile floors with the occasional rug. This tool is perfect for the wood and tile. The tool has a great flex, turns at the connection to the wand. So the brush part can stay level to the floor, but you can turn the hose to allow the brush to slide easily under furniture and turn corners. It's much easier to vacuum around chair and table legs and actually vacuum. I have a dog and know how the dog hair gathers around wooden legs. This device easily sucks up that hair that gathers in awkward places. I can vacuum without having to change to a different brush, or as was often just with the bare hose. This brush makes vacuuming so much easier and efficient, no need to change brushes in mid-vacuum. Plus again, no backache. The funny thing though is this piece comes direct from Germany, so it has a customs clearance that requires your signature. Shipment is quick, it took about 10 days even with the signature requirement. Number 2. Home Care Miele Compatible Parquet Floor Brush. Introducing the Home Care Replacement Floor Brush, designed specifically for Miele canister vacuums. This brush is a perfect replacement for your old one, ensuring your floors stay clean. This 35mm SBB Parquet Floor Brush is compatible with your Miele vacuum. It's designed to provide optimal cleaning performance on various floor types. The brush features rubber wheels on each side, allowing it to glide smoothly across your floors without causing any scratches. This design protects your floors while cleaning. The brush is equipped with horsehair bristles, making it ideal for cleaning wooden floors and tiles. It effectively removes dust and debris while being gentle on the surface. This replacement brush is easy to attach and use with your Miele vacuum. It's a simple upgrade that can significantly improve your cleaning experience. What we like? It features rubber wheels for easy gliding and to prevent scratching. The horsehair brush is friendly to wooden floors and tiles. If you are looking for a simple, effective, and compatible replacement for your Miele vacuum, you should consider this. What people say. The brush head swivels and pivots easily. The brush is very easy to maneuver around furniture. The brush head is very low profile and fits under most furniture. Number 1. Miele SBB 400-3 Parquet Twister XL Smooth Floor Brush. This is the Miele SBB 400-3 Parquet Twister XL Smooth Floor Brush. It's designed specifically for smooth floors. It will make your cleaning easier. The brush is gentle yet effective. It's perfect for cleaning delicate surfaces like hardwood floors. You will be amazed by its performance. With its XL size, it covers more area with each pass. This means you can clean your floors faster. It's a great time saver. The brush is easy to maneuver around furniture and obstacles. It glides smoothly across the floor. You will love how easy it is to use. This brush is made by Miele, a brand known for quality and durability. It's built to last and provide excellent cleaning performance. You can trust its quality. What we like? This brush features an extra large 16-inch size, saving you cleaning time. It is designed for gentle cleaning, ensuring your floors are well cared for. If you have a large home with hard floors and want to clean quickly and efficiently, you should consider this. What people say. This brush does a fantastic job of covering large sections of floors, twisting around corners, going under beds and furniture and, in general, extending the usefulness of your Miele canister vacuum. The suction is equal over the whole span, allowing it to go along walls and into corners to pick up dust. It gets right up to the baseboards. It saves a lot of time because of being bigger. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.